Hello guys, welcome to this episode where I do the unboxing of the new LG Puricare air purifier. As you are aware of the situation around the world, I thought it's the right time to get an air purifier for home and do an unboxing video for you guys. In this video, I'll take you through the quick setup guide from a layman's perspective. So without ado, let's do the unboxing now. Let's quickly go through the owner's manual. On the first glance, I see a quick setup, 6-step setup guide before I activate it. Let me take you through. Step 1. We have to remove the back cover. Step 2. Remove the cardboard. Step 3. Pull the filter along with the vinyl plastic cover. Let's proceed to step 4. You have to remove the vinyl plastic cover and then put the filter back. Make sure the pull tab is on the upper side when you put the filter back. There are a few instructions and do and don'ts while using the air purifier. Step 6. Close the cover and you're ready to go. Now that we have installed the filter, let's switch it on and see how it does its magic. Now that I have turned it on, you can see the fan has started to rotate. So the bottom part is where it purifies the air and sends the purifier air towards you, pushes it towards you using the upper portion, which is the fan. I like the way it's calculating the PM count. Now that it has calculated the air is quite bad up in here. It's got around 60 microgram per meter cube of particulate matter. As you can see on the display, it has already started to purify and the PM count is going low. Let's keep it running for a while and then see how does the count come down. After running it for a while, you can see the PM count has come down from 60 to 27 microgram per meter cube. The odor sign detects whether the odor is too strong or not. Green states that the odor is not too strong in the room at the minute. After a few minutes, you can see the PM count has gone down as low as 15 microgram per meter cube, which is a good sign indicating the air purifier is doing its job. While there, I've taken some snaps during the unboxing of the Puricare air purifier by LG. That's a tiny remote that comes along with the unit. Photos of the initial stages during the installation for your reference. After switching it on, after a while when it has purified the air. Also, once you install the LG app, you can go through the various settings. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive more such videos. Also, a quick glance at the app before the video ends, which provides you all details in a single glance.